welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing some stuff with the Nerf Stryfe right here. So I have made some homemade attachments that are actually just right over there off camera. I have made some homemade attachments that you can put on. I have made a barrel, a stock, a customized magazine, and also what's it called? A scope that goes up here. So let's get on. First one to the barrel. Okay, so this is the barrel that I have written Stryfe on just to match because it's for the Stryfe. So basically, all I had to do was get a piece of paper and I rolled it up, and yeah, I just rolled it up and then I taped it, and then I cut it to the I cut it to the size I wanted. You can make it super long, you can make it super short. It doesn't matter. Unless, well, I guess the longer you make it, the worse your Nerf gun's gonna be, but not, or like the worse it's gonna shoot in distance. And like, okay, I'm talking a lot. So, after all that, after I rolled it up and stuff, I cut this design on the end to make it look pretty cool. And all you have to, I don't know if you can see this, but see, there's like a barrel, then out here, like the bigger barrel, there's like a slot that you can put stuff in. I thought about PVC pipe, but that was too big. It didn't fit. So I just used paper. It works really well. And that's basically it for the barrel, I guess. Now, onto the stock. This is the stock that I have written Stryfe on again. So, basically, all it is, I got a paper towel roll and like the top to a drink thing, and I basically just taped them together, together, and see, you can see all the tape, and you can just put it on right here. It's actually really big. It's bigger than all of Nerf stocks, and Nerf stocks, they're pretty much, a lot of them are pretty short, so this is it's pretty long. And it's actually, I like it really well. And just remember, you can cut this to whatever size you want if you don't like it super long. And so I guess that's basically it. That was a short one for the stock. Now, onto the customized magazine. Well, here it is. Why did the light turn on? I don't know why, but it's basically, I just taped paper around a 6-round magazine and I wrote 6 on it. And that's basically all I had to do. And I didn't use any duct tape. I just used clear tape, and it's really easy to get off if you want to take it all off. And and you can always take these off and stuff if you want to. You can take them off and put them back on. And the stock just happened to fit for some reason, so I just used it. And here's a 6-round magazine. It's really easy. It just works like any other 6-round magazine. I just did it to make it look longer, and I guess match everything else. Now, onto the scope that's going to be up here. I might take some stuff off so I can fit in the camera. So here is the scope. I just taped it on because that's the easiest way. So basically, I've just rolled up a piece of paper just like the barrel, except once again, I just taped it. And then I cut out this little plus sign here, and I just taped it onto the front, and it works like a scope. I'll lift you guys up so you can see. There it is. I have it on a little crooked right now, but that's basically the scope. And that brings this video to an end. So leave a like and subscribe if you have made these, and if you want to see another Nerf video. Goodbye. Which way do I do it? Goodbye.